Welcome to a place where leadership is nurtured, ideas are celebrated, and futures are built.
MBA for business minds and MCA for tech wizards.
It's not just about coding. It's creating, innovating, and transforming idea into real-world tech solutions. Our class is a perfect blend of leadership, teamwork, and real-life exposure.
Every day feels like a step closer to become a future leader.
It's here where we turn theory into hand-on skill and prepare for the digital world.
Our students don't just graduate, they lead, innovate, and inspire.
It isn't just a place of books. It's a world of ideas, knowledge, and quiet inspiration. It's where learning goes beyond classroom.
Getting into a professional course is always a greater thing where you have a lifelong learning. Come to Nehru Institute of Information Technology and Management to join for the MBA and MCA course.